Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's everyone's favorite Rideshare Hub host, Isabella, and today I'm going to be telling you guys about this awesome new feature. This is for all Grubhub drivers and Lyft drivers. So if you drive either of those, be sure to keep watching and find out. All right, this is very exciting news. There's this awesome app out there for rideshare and delivery drivers called Para. We have a link down below in the description if you want to check it out. But Para just launched some new features for Grubhub drivers and Lyft drivers. For Grubhub drivers, Para will help you see if the delivery address is a house or an apartment. This will make it way easier for you as a Grubhub driver, because if you've done any delivery driving, you know how annoying it is to drop food off at an apartment building. This can kind of help you plan out your delivery, optimize your time on the road, the time you're spending working, so you can ultimately make more money in the end. And a good tip if you're delivering to an apartment building is to try to get the person to meet you outside, and if they don't, make sure that you ask them ahead of time to give you good instructions on how to get to their door, because some of these apartment complexes are very complicated. Now, if you are a Lyft driver, Para can actually show you an estimated payout when the actual total payout isn't available. Again, this is very useful if you're wanting to plan out your time on the road, see how much money you're making, and really start thinking about how much you're trying to make within a day. I think it's good to make daily goals for yourself if you're driving. So if you're trying to drive a certain number of hours or make a certain amount of money, you can reach that goal a little bit better with this feature. However, please keep in mind that these features are not available on all platforms. So just be wary of that if you're doing any other of the delivery services or rideshare services. So if you want to check out Para, we have a link down below in the description so you can download the app. Also, if you have any problems with Para and you want to reach out to someone, you can actually just email them. Their email is help@withpara.com. I have it up on the screen, and you can go to them with all of your questions and concerns. Anyways, guys, as always, if you have any questions or want to leave a comment, be sure to do that down below. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from us. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.